Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine and having a very good day. I welcome you all to my channel English Superstars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As these days we are having a grammar week, so today we are going to talk about pronouns. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Now, before going forward, let's revise nouns first. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, all the things we see around us are nouns. For example, names of fruits, vegetables, flowers, birds, dresses, foods, and drinks are noun. So everything that we see around us, it is a noun, simple. Now, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that replaces nouns. For example, if there is a girl named Alia, what can we say? She is a nice girl. Her books are very interesting. Right? We are not saying again and again, Alia is a nice girl, Alia's books are interesting. No, we are saying she is a nice girl, her books are interesting. Similarly, when there is a group of people like Ali, Suhail, Amjad, Zubair, so many names are there, we say they are friends. Right? So, we are not saying again and again their names. We use a pronoun, that is they. Similarly, if somebody wants to talk to Ali, Zubair and Ahmed, we will say, yes, you can talk to them. Now, we are not saying, yes, you can talk to this and this boy. We don't say the names again and again because pronouns are used in the place of these nouns. Now, similarly, when there is a thing or animal, we use it. For example, it is a nice bicycle. Right? So, we use different pronouns in the place of a noun. Now let's move forward. There are some personal pronouns like I, you, they, we, it, he, and she. Now see, he is used for a boy. For example, you want to say Ali is a nice boy. He is 6 years old. So you will not say again and again, Ali is a nice boy, Ali is 6 years old. You will say, he is 6 years old. Now, let's come to this girl. For girls, we use she. Right? For example, you want to say, Sarah is 6 years old. She is wearing a blue skirt. Right? Or she is wearing red shoes. Now, we are using she for her. We are not saying again and again, Sarah is 6 years old, Sarah is wearing red shoes, Sarah has 2 braids. No, we use a pronoun in the place of a noun. Now, when we say it is used for animals, places, or thing. For example, you have a blue ball and you are going to say, my ball is big in size. My ball is very big. Or my ball has lights in it, right? But what can you use in the place of my ball, my ball, my ball again and again? You're going to use it. It is big in size. It is very nice. It is very fluffy, right? Now, when we use I, it is for first person. When you're talking about yourself, right? I am a good boy. I am a Pakistani boy, right? Now, you is used for 2 things, whether you're talking to first person or to second person. Now, let me make it easier for you. You use you for somebody else. For example, there is somebody in front of you and you say, you, can I talk to you? Can you please shut the door? Now, you're talking to the other person. Can you please shut the door for me? You're talking to somebody else, right? The person in front of you. They. Now, when we use they is used when the person talking is not included. For example, these 2 people are there, both of them are raising their hands, so they are talking about themselves. And when I look at them, I'll say they are friends or they are siblings. Sibling means brother and sister, right? So, and we is used when I myself is also included. Now how is this possible? I am standing there and I have two friends, Ali and Sarah, with me, right? So I am going to say we are friends, right? We, because I am also their friend. I am also included. If I want to say I and Ali and Sarah are friends, in spite of that, I can say we are friends. But if I want to say Ali and Sarah are friends, I'm going to say they are friends. You getting me? When I am included, then we. When I am not included, then they. It's very simple. Now, let's see. Here, there are some examples in front of you. When this girl is pointing towards the boy, he. Because for boys, we say he. For masculine, for men, we say he. But for girls, for feminine, we say she. Right? But for animals, places or things, we say it. Non-living things, right? Or animals. You is used for the other person and I for yourself. Let's see this activity. You will say the answers with me side by side, okay? And let's see if you understood or not. Now look at this girl. She is pointing a finger towards somebody else. So I or you? Yes, it's you, because she's talking about somebody else. Now look at this boy. He's pointing a finger towards this girl. So I or she? She, because I said for girls or for feminine, it's she. Now look at this girl. She's pointing a finger towards this boy. He or it? Remember, it is for non-living things or for animals. So, yes, he. He's a boy. Now look at this. He's pointing a finger towards this cute little puppy. So, it. Definitely. Now look at her. She's pointing a finger towards somebody else. So, I or you? You. But here, this boy is pointing a finger towards himself. So, he's saying, I. Wow, you're a superstar. Now, let's do another activity and see if you understand or not. Alright, now here right in front of you, you have some examples. Look at this boy and this girl. They are pointing a finger towards themselves. Means both of them are included. So what will you say? We, because they are talking about themselves. Both of them are included. Now see here, he's pointing a finger only towards himself. So, I. Now this girl is not included. Okay, she's not included. And she is pointing a finger towards these two boys. So, what is it? They are brothers. Now look at this. He's pointing a finger towards this ball. So, it is a colorful ball. Now here this boy is pointing a finger only towards this one girl. So, you. Now see here. This boy is again pointing a finger towards this girl. But here this time the options are it, she or he. For girls, what do we use? She. Now here, she is pointing a finger towards this boy. So, he. Because for boys, we use he. Now here you saw, this boy was pointing a finger only towards one girl. And here, this boy is pointing a finger towards both of them. But in this case also, he is pointing a finger towards somebody else. And he is not included. This is called the case of second person pronoun, and here he's also talking about you. You both are my favorite kids. So let's revise now. What are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Now remember, these are all pronouns. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. Have a very nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take care.